This your weatherman, Mr. Weatherman. I will be reporting all throughout the storm. Hello, everybody. This is weatherman Captain. Hurricane probably gonna blow my shit off. Trying to show y'all. Hello, everybody. What's good? Brown done fucked up my wig. See, the storm is getting kind of bad here. I can't even hold an umbrella. Oh, shit, can't see either. Y'all see my people over here? How's everybody doing? Everybody scared? Don't be scared. No real rains and storms yet, so we see Cool Breeze, DJ Cool Breeze, he's safely parked. KG. Oh, I guess we're back. Big country, what's good? But it's your ghetto weatherman right here. Brown, you know. Shit, it's getting kind of windy out here. I will be reporting live all day, fellas. About 2 a.m. this morning, I'll be out here. And, it's the wind, y'all. Get you guys updated. Anybody need to be rescued, you call 1-800-CAPTAIN. Big country's towing. We got big trucks. All my boys got big. Well, back to you, John.